The first T-Roc already had its own unique style, an unmistakable yet appealing face that stood out from the crowd. Its hallmark features included a striking silver stripe extending from the A-pillar to the distinctive T-Roc C-pillar. This stripe helped to extend the roofline and was christened the hockey stick by designers on account of its shape. Another of the T-Roc's clear archetypal features was the sharp, muscular, and powerful shoulder section above the rear wheel arch. As part of this product line's iconic DNA, these features have also been incorporated into the successor's new design. So, despite its redesign and enhancements, this makes it immediately recognizable as a T-Roc, right down to the very last millimeter. The face now shows a stylistic proximity to the family of other modern Volkswagen models and thus becomes a bridge to the Volkswagen design of the future. The new family face is just the starting point from which the designers have created a product face for the new T-Roc with the greatest possible autonomy. Every line, every edge, every surface, and every curve is based on logic and functionality. In addition, the SUV has become more aerodynamic. The new drag coefficient of CD equals 0.29 corresponds to an improvement of 10% compared with the predecessor and, together with the new drive system range, serves as the basis for the significantly improved efficiency of the second T-Roc generation. First SUV in its class with travel assist. The second T-Roc generation is based on the MQB Evo, the latest evolutionary stage of the modular transverse matrix. This is accompanied by a new range of assist and convenience systems in the T-Roc class. What is more, thanks to the MQB Evo, the new SUV has technologies on board that are also used in the larger Tiguan and Tayron. A new feature in the T-Roc class is the next development stage of travel assist, which not only supports automatic lane changes, but also reacts more smoothly and in an even more anticipatory way to speed limit changes. An important safety system is emergency assist, which automatically steers the SUV to the side of the road and brings it to a standstill in the event of an emergency, if the driver has health problems. The exit warning system is also new on board. It warns the passengers before opening a door if a vehicle is approaching from behind. Particularly in inner-city traffic, the exit warning system can help to prevent accidents that are particularly dangerous for cyclists due to the sudden opening of the vehicle door. For the first time, the T-Roc is equipped with Park Assist Pro, which enables fully automatic parking over distances of up to 50 meters thanks to the memory function and remote parking using a smartphone. Smart Equipment Matrix. Volkswagen has restructured and clearly designed the T-Roc's equipment matrix. Standard and optional features and packages can be selected with just a few clicks. There has been an overall rise in the standard of equipment. Even the base version of the new T-Roc generation is anything but an entry-level model due to its standard equipment package and high-quality interior materials. The new T-Roc can be customized in a targeted manner with 3 additional equipment versions. The top versions correspond to the equipment level of the next higher class in each case. The following 4 T-Roc equipment lines are currently offered. The design of the interior is clean and unmistakable. Horizontally structured surfaces and clear lines ensure immediate orientation. The quality of the materials defines a new status quo in the class. Soft, high-quality, and fabric-covered surfaces in the area of the dashboard. Perforated and illuminated leatherette decorative trim elements for the first time, as well as haptically and visually appealing seat fabrics, blur the class boundaries to higher classes. Operation has been thought through down to the smallest detail. Easy-to-grip buttons on the multifunction steering wheel. Robust and ergonomically optimized door openers and the multifunctional driving experience control for various functions and audio volume create an interior world that can be operated intuitively. A new feature on board the T-Roc is also a windscreen head-up display. User-oriented technologies include features such as the latest generation of infotainment systems including voice control and ChatGPT integration. Also new are the digital instruments in large rectangular format. In addition to the usual views, they now offer a black panel function with a completely stripped back display, as the full spectrum of information is not always required. As the first model in this SUV class, the T-Roc also has an optional 3-zone climate control system, Air Care Climatronic, on board as an alternative to the standard 2-zone automatic air conditioner, enabling separate climate control for the 3-seat rear passenger area. Anyone who sits in the driver or front passenger seat of the T-Roc and looks out over the high and easily visible bonnet will not imagine they are sitting in a compact class SUV. This impression is reinforced by the space offered by the second-generation T-Roc, which is suitable for long-distance journeys and families. Even if people taller than 1.85 m are sitting in the front, passengers of a similar stature have sufficient legroom in the 3 seats at the rear thanks to the extra 122 mm added to the length of the new T-Roc. In addition, the designers have also ensured that there is plenty of space for the luggage of 5 passengers. Thanks to the increase in length, the luggage compartment volume has increased by 30 liters to 475 liters when loaded up to the height of the rear seat backrests, which fold down in a 1/3 to 2/3 split. As from the life equipment level, the area of the center armrest, including the center head restraint, can be folded down separately to create space for long objects such as skis. The seats have been ergonomically designed. The high sitting position is a characteristic feature of an SUV. As from the Life mid-range equipment line, the comfort seats already feature pneumatic lumbar supports in the backrests, which can be adjusted electrically. There is a comfortable center armrest with an integrated stowage area between the front seats. In the Life and Style equipment levels, the front passenger seat backrest can also be folded down so that XL-sized objects can be transported on board the T-Roc. (1.5 at sea for launch). The new T-Roc is the first Volkswagen product line whose entire drive range consists exclusively of efficient hybrid systems. One of the most successful Volkswagen drive systems of this era will be offered straight from the launch, a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine as a 48V mild hybrid, 1.5 at sea, in 2 output levels with 85 kilowatts, 116 horsepower, and 110 kilowatts, 150 horsepower. Both versions of the 1.5 at sea used for the first time in the T-Roc are high-tech systems. They convert kinetic energy into electrical energy by means of recuperation and store this in a compact lithium-ion battery. As a result, the efficient combustion engine can be switched off repeatedly during a journey. This coasting mode saves fuel and reduces emissions. If the 4-cylinder engine is in operation, 2 cylinders are also shut down as often as possible, which also reduces fuel consumption. In addition, the hybrid system's electric boost optimizes the performance when driving off, as a 48V belt-driven starter alternator with an additional electric torque of up to 56 Nm. Particularly noticeable when pulling away on uphill gradients, supports the petrol engine. 2.0 at sea and 1.5 hybrid as new hybrid systems. In 2026, 2 new hybrid developments will make their debut in the T-Roc, a 2.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine with 48V mild hybrid system, 2.0 at sea, and a 1.5-liter full hybrid. The new hybrid drives will also be available in 2 output levels. The new 2.0 at sea is always coupled to the 4Motion all-wheel drive in the T-Roc. The 2.0 at sea 4Motion with 150 kilowatts, 204 horsepower, will be launched first. Towards the end of next year, the new and even more powerful high-end flagship version of the SUV product line with this drive technology will follow. The T-Roc R4Motion developed by the premium performance brand Volkswagen R. Also in 2026, the 2 new 1.5-liter full hybrid engines with front-wheel drive and outputs of 100 kilowatts, 136 horsepower, and 125 kilowatts, 170 horsepower, will complement the range.